Gottlieb black hole soundboard, and here's my black hole dial revolution for the spinning disc in the back. This one had no voice sounds, and I wasn't making the wind sound on the lower level, and this boiled down to a flaky dip switch. And then while I was at it, I replaced all these 47 microfarad caps to give this board the cleanest sound possible. So let's see what happens with test. And it wanted me to change dip switches. I'm not going to do that. Not complete. But you could hear the complete. So let's play some black hole. I'm just going to set this here so you can kind of see what's going on and kind of hear. That's all normal. There's your background sounds. See if I can get it to the lower level. On the lower level now. You can hear the wind. Didn't make it up. So that was normal. You could hear the re-entry attempt failed. Come on. The hardest shot in pinball is when you're trying to demonstrate. Okay, my poor playing has forced me to take the playfield glass off. Whoops. So that I can demonstrate a few things. Let me start a new game.
Accelerated.
Yeah, so that's normal.
Force accelerated.
Yay!
Failed.
So that's all normal. I'm going to call this board good and get it back to the kind gentleman who has been so patient. Thanks so much.